So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your physics buddy, and today we are going to discuss some key problems related to graphical representation of motion. This is going to be an interesting topic, as well as this will help us to master all the graphical related questions. So just stay tuned and make sure you note down each and everything. Let's get started.
In this question, you have to find out the distance. So in order to find out the distance from velocity time graph, you need to find out the area. So the question says, what is the
Oh
distance
yeah.
traversed by the particle in 4 seconds? So you have to find out the area of the graph till 4 seconds. So it's not
Okay.
that much difficult. It's quite easy. You just need to find out area. What I suggest you while solving such questions, just solve the area of individual sections. Like this section, if I talk about, is a triangle OAH. So the triangle area of triangle is half times base times height. So it is approximately half into 1 into 2. Half into 1 into 20. That is going to be 10. Similarly, for this particular section, it is something like rectangle. So here we can write twice of 20, which is approximately, sorry, not twice, 1 into 20, which is going to be 20 itself. Then we have this section. Again, this is the triangle, so we can write half times base. So this base is 1, and then this height, which is 10. So it is half times 1 times 10, which is going to be 5. Then this particular rectangle, I would again say it is going to be 1 into 10, that is going to be 10. Then the last, this one, again the same, 1 into 10, that is going to be 10. So the total area here you can see 10 plus 10, that is 20, 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 10, that is 50, 50 plus 5, 55. So that is going to be the answer to this question.
Okay.
So see, these questions are not that much difficult. You need to understand the basics,
Yeah.
which we discussed in the last class. The two things that you can find out using graphs is one is slope and another is area. In different type of graphs, area will give a different quantity. And again, in different type of graphs, slope will give us different quantities. So we'll talk about each and everything. Let's move to the next question. Just think about this question and try to answer it. Which graph or the which part of the graph shows the maximum instantaneous velocity? Again, from the distance time graph, if we have to find out the velocity, we just try to draw the slope. And the slope is what? Slope is basically the angle made by that point with x-axis. So you just try to draw the straight line passing through the time axis, and ultimately you'll have the slope. So just think about this question and tell me what should be the answer of this question. If you want to draw the slope, just try, if you want to find out the slope, just try to draw a straight line passing through each point. And these
Yeah.
lines should be a tangent. So that tangent will make some angle with x-axis. So that angle you have to find. So as you can see, there are 4 points. So this is, and all these 4 points will be making some angle. If we talk about point A, so point A is making almost zero angle. So it will be having zero slope. So here I can say the velocity is minimum at point A. Similarly, if the angle is maximum in any of these given cases, the velocity will be maximum at that point. So out of the remaining 3 points, just tell me which point has the maximum angle.
This is C.
Yeah. So you just have to figure it out that which point is actually experience or actually making maximum angle, and that point will ultimately give us the maximum instantaneous velocity, which is supposed to be C. That's it.
Yeah.
Now this question. So this question says what is the velocity? You have to find out the acceleration of the particle at t is equals to 9 seconds. So at 9 seconds, what is the acceleration? Now we have velocity time graph. So from VT graph, we have to find out the acceleration. We just try to figure it out the slope of that point. That slope will give us ultimately the acceleration.
Yeah.
So here the acceleration is supposed to be given at this particular point. That is at 9 seconds. So again, just try to find out the slope. Slope means the angle made by this line. So as you can see that
Negative
this is
5.
the angle. Yeah, exactly correct.
Wait, I think this was the first question I got last time.
Okay, that's pretty good. All right then, let's talk about the same part in a little detail. Okay, before that, just tell me, did you got any assignment or something you want to discuss?
Let me see if he has posted anything new, because
Yeah,
I have
just check
not
it out
gone.
and tell me.
Yeah, let me see. I would not say there was anything new.
All right. So let's just continue with the topic. And in today's session, we're trying to talk about that how a graph of one particular type can be converted into another type of same graph. Like